ba yan? May langaw. Mm. Okay. So our activity is audio streaming. So we're going to open Adobe Audition. I have the latest version of Adobe Audition. Adobe Audition 2020. This is Adobe Audition 13.07.38. Okay, class. So before we go to the demo, so you have to learn or you have to know first the important parts of a song for you to just to know how to where to cut, what to choose, and kung ano yung mga isasama. You just need to get the highlights of the song. Now remember, there are the parts of the song. We have verses, we have the refrain or the pre-chorus. Pre-chorus or refrain, that's preparation for the chorus. The chorus is the heart of the song. And then after the chorus, we have the verses again. Then usually after the verses, you will go back to the chorus. And then after the chorus, we have the bridge part. And then after the bridge part, you will go back again to the chorus. And then going to the end, coda. Okay, so since our activity is to trim down, why we have to do this? Okay, so now before, the longer the music, the better. But now as we move towards the new generation, new technology, new sound, most of these social applications, they require a limited time, a duration, a just a short. Usually they just need the highlight of the songs. Like Instagram, TikTok, they only need 1 minute. So most of the songs nowadays, the normal duration, the normal length is about 4 minutes to 5 minutes. So, but no problem at all because we have Adobe Audition or we have some other audio softwares which can help us to edit or to trim down the audio. That's what we are going to do. But how to trim it down? So, of course, you need to know the parts of you need to listen to the music and identify the parts. Okay, so usually our goal is to shorten it from its original time to 1 minute and 20 seconds. So remember, not more than 1 minute and 20 seconds and not less than 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute to 1 minute and 20 seconds only. So maybe we can get one verse, one chorus, and maybe the bridge part and the coda. So it depends. It all depends. So we have to listen to it. Okay. So right now we will have an example. Okay, let's get the files. So click the files. I already downloaded the songs, so it's already in my desktop. Now, if I will be the student, I'm going to choose Josa, Into the Unknown, and fight song. Okay, maybe we can select fight song. Okay, here it's too loud. Look at that. So we can zoom it out, and then remember to edit it first in waveform. Okay, so let's edit it in waveform. So here is the song. Let's identify the parts. Okay, so this is the introduction and the verse one. Sorry. So before we start, the total duration of the song is 3 minutes and 24 seconds. So we have to get at least 2 minutes. We have to delete 2 minute part of the song. So this is the verse one. Sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. So that's the chorus, huh? So this is the I'm sorry. So this is the start of the chorus. No, this is the pre-chorus class. Sorry, this is the pre-chorus, and then this is the chorus. Now this is the start of the second verse.
Losing friends and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me. In too deep. Say I'm in too deep. It's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Still believe, yeah, I still believe. And all those things I didn't say. Wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice? This time, this is my fight.
So this is the start of the second chorus.
Take back my life, son. Prove that my life, son. My power's turned up. Stopping right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight, son. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. A lot of fight left in me. Like a small boat on the
So the first part, so it's repeated. It was
ocean,
repeated.
sending big
Going
waves
to the last
in the
chorus,
ocean. Like how a single word can make a heart out of
but with
gold.
more
I
beats.
might only
Okay.
have one match, but I can make it explode.
Here, the chorus.
This is my fight
Pam, pam.
song. Take back my life song. Prove that my right
Hi.
song. My power's turned up. Something right now I'll be strong.
Ah.
I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care
If
if nobody
nobody else
else
believes, cause I still got a lot of fire left in me. But I still got a lot of fire left in me. So we have three chorus and two verses. Okay. So from 3 minutes, so we have to delete around 2 minutes. So what I'm going to choose, maybe I'll just get. Let's try to get the first verse, and let's try to cut the first chorus and the second verse. Okay. So how? So we need to put marker on the. So let's zoom it out. Zoom to horizontal way. Okay.
my fight.
So this is my fight song.
This time, this is my fight.
I'm going to put marker on the fight because there's a strong beat. It's easy. It's easier to cut on that part because there is a strong beat.
This time, this is my
Fight.
fight.
Okay, from there. Okay, fight. Fight. That one. Okay. So we're going to cut. Put marker first by typing M. M. Manal. Monay. Okay. Letter M. There. So you will see letter M, marker number one. So we're going to select the second chorus. Let's go to the second chorus. So this one, okay? Okay, exact. So let's put an M, and then let's cut it. How? So you're going to place the ruler or the mouse from start of the first mark to the second mark. That one. Yes, and then click delete. Okay, so let's see.
This is my fight.
Yes. Yes. So this is
my
my fight song. Okay, now let's check kung ano na yung duration. We will not include the silence, so we have to delete the this one. Okay, so from 3 minutes to 29, and it goes down to 2 minutes and 18. So we still need to cut one more minute. Maybe we can cut. We can go. We can cut the this one. Go directly to the last chorus. Oops, sorry. So let's put a marker again to the fight. So there's the marker one. Let's look for the that one, the fight, the last fight. That one there. Then put a marker. Then zoom out. Then highlight and delete. Let's see. This is the ruler. Yes, cool. Now look at the time. Let's see. So it should not be more than 1 minute and 20 seconds. Believe, cause I still got a lot of fire left in me.
No, I've still got a lot of fire left in me.
Yes, so from 3 minutes and 29 seconds goes down to 1 minute and 12 or 13 seconds. So this is acceptable pass. So let's listen to the final. So this is just one song. So again, just a reminder, you need three songs, and then after we will go to multi-track editing, so you can start doing a medley. Okay.
On the ocean, sending big waves into motion, like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take
Okay, so there, and then after editing, so you go to multi-track and create a new project. So this is activity number one. Activity number one. Medley, and put your name. Okay. Then check the sample rate is 44 1000, bit is 16 rate, stereo. Then click OK. So there, so we have different tracks. So this is the audio clip we edited just a while ago, and then you're going to drag it. Then just click OK. There, okay. There's the audio clip.
no, I still got a lot of fire left.
So example, you're already done with the three songs. So you just get the song. Maybe example, what is my next song? Kimi Ono Toriko. I think you can download it there. So it goes directly to the waveform, and then let's go to multi-track. Then we'll just drag it here. So kunwari na edit natin yung second song, you just put it here. You just drag it. Okay, like this one.
No, I still got a lot of violet
In me, then that one.
a lot of violet in me. 君の虜になってしまえばきっと
Yes. Okay. There. Okay, now maybe you will be needing an automation or fade in fade out effect. Okay. So you will see a square here with it's divided like a diamond. So that is our fade in fade out. So maybe if you need that, especially towards the end and beginning, you can do this one. Yeah, that's fade in fade out. Okay. Here, if you click the audio clip, you will see. Yeah. So to balance everything.
Still got a lot of violet in me. 君の虜
Okay. So just to feel what is fade in fade out. Example here. Maybe you will be needing that effect. Okay. So just go back if you want to undo. Okay, there. So there, class. So you're going to create a medley. Then after, so example, you're already done with the editing. So you're going to export it. Okay, export it. Then click file. Go to the file, and then click export. Then go to the multi-track mix down. Click entire session, and then click OK. There. So it's already mixed down. Here, it's already in my desktop already. The activity number one. So if I'm going to play it, iba yung na-click ko. Okay, so there, class. So that's how you do it. Okay, remember, but next week, hopefully you're in the middle or towards the end of the activity. So hope I could check your work. So maybe I have some suggestions how to make it better. Okay, so please explore the software. If you can download the latest version of Adobe Audition. Okay, so this is Adobe Audition 13.07.38. Let's explore the new features of the softwares. I think for me it's a lot brighter. Okay, so their class.